In this video, we will talk about IRETE OFUN Odu Ifa. IRETE OFUN speaks about blessings related to having children in your future. Ifa mentions it may be first necessary for you to settle in a place other than the one you are currently at. The new place will bring blessings of longevity, of a positive and compatible matrimony, blessed with children. Be mindful of being a responsible person, one that can provide and be there for their children when the time comes. Offer a bo to Osun regularly to help you on your journey of raising children in a positive way and showing them the right path in their lives. IRETE OFUN speaks about a woman marrying a priest as part of her destiny. It is this union that will bring blessings and positivity to the woman's life. If this Odu was revealed for a woman, ask Ifa for guidance towards the priest destined to be in her life. Request for this person to be revealed. Offer a bo if prescribed by Ifa through Ifa divination to ensure the right person is revealed. Be cautious of showing excessive pride in your appearance. Ifa advises the person to whom this Odu was revealed to look after their mother. The mother's ide is protecting this person from negative things. Offer sacrifice to her ori as necessary, or offer aldimu to her soul if she is currently not with us on earth. IRETE OFUN speaks about blessings of fortune being on their way into your life. Opportunities for new challenges will present themselves to you. Speak with Ifa and ask for the ability to identify these opportunities when they are near. It will be up to you to put forth the effort necessary to capitalize on those opportunities when they come around. Do well in your endeavors and help those that come behind you. We all have to start somewhere. Don't forget where you come from. Those that you can help today may help you in a big way tomorrow. Be mindful of the power within the act of taking the time to help another person when they are in need. Ifa advises to offer a bo and feed your ori. Your ori will continue guiding you towards your destiny on earth, a destiny filled with blessings. Have faith and stay close to Ifa for guidance.